Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University.
Namaskar. Dear learners, welcome to the class. Indian aesthetics with special reference to Indian classical dance Kathak. When we talk about Indian classical dances, Tal plays very vital role. You would be wondering what Tal is, what are the components of Tal, how do we understand Tal? So today in Indian classical dance Kathak, we'll try to understand the definitions of few components, concepts related to Tal. Whatever I'll be explaining today, I would be giving examples, but my examples would be more related to Teen Tal, because Teen Tal is very basic Tal and it is known as king of all the Tals. So let us start today. When we talk about Tal and related concepts, the first thing that we have to understand is Sama. The first beat of the cycle, that is Avartan of a Tal, is known as Sama. Now try to understand, Sam is also known as Gru also. Why? I'll explain you later. Now there is, for example, take up Teen Tal. Teen Tal is a Tal with 16 matras or beats that starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now, this cluster of 16 matras make a Tal which is known as Teen Tal. The first beat, Da, then, Da. So this Da, this one first beat is known as Tal. Dear learners, you might be wondering that it is only in the Teen Tal that first matra is known as Sama. No, in every Tal, be it Teen Tal, Jap Tal, Dadra, Kerwa, Pancham Savari, Gajampa, any Tal, the first beat, the first matra from where the Tal starts, that cycle, Avartan of Tal starts, it is known as Sama. The first matra, that's a unit, it is a smallest unit of Tal, that's a matra, beat, Da, then. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the beats, matras, the definitions we will discuss later on. So the first matra from where any Tal begins is known as Sama. Now very important is, every Tal, every bandish composition of Kathak Nritya, be Toda, Tukda, Paran, Amad, it starts with Sama and it ends with Sama. So when a dancer, performer is performing, there would be emphasis, a lot of weight, stamping on Sama. Very much, a lot of force. I'll show you. For example, take up Amad. Da, ta, thonga, da, de. Now you see, da, the first, lot of force. And when it ends, at the end, maybe 1 avartan, 2 avartan, 3 avartan, that cycle of 16 Tal, once, twice, thrice. But when it ends, the whole bandish, when ends, it ends on Sama. Again, there would be a lot of force, a lot of emphasis. After some or many avartan cycles of Tala, one has to end at Sama. So the dancer would come at the end, would complete that bandish and land on again the first matra. So any bandish starts with Sama and it comes to the end at Sama. And that's why generally when we go anywhere, we start from home. be it be noon, be it be evening, late evening, next day, third day, 5 day, 10 days, we come back to our home. So it is also known in the 10 pranas of Tal, Griha. Griha is home. So it comes to the home. So summer is also known as Griha. In Kathak, summer is shown by loudly stamping the right leg on the floor. It ends when dum, it ends with stamping feet. And very gracefully the dancer ends. Very gracefully after maybe lot many chakras, whirls and spins. And then finally the dancer ends at summer. So that summer is very forceful. When it comes to notation, notation means writing. How do we read it? Whether there are two syllables in one matra, one unit, there are three. How do we recognize? How do we come to know with the help of notations? That also we will discuss later on. So the notations will be there. So when we talk about notation and especially about sum, the sum is shown with cross. We call them multiplication, cross. So with the help of cross, summer is shown. Again, my dear learners, I'm sure that now you're clear what is sum or summer in Tal. Now you would be wondering that we discuss about matra. What exactly is the matra? Matra means beats, a beat. We have heartbeats, thak, 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 thak. It beats. In the same way, when we talk about Tal, there are matras. Da, din, da, da. Matras. Da, ge, na, ti, na, ka, di, na. Di, na, di, na, ti. So, when I make this sound, it is matra. Generally, in any tal, one has to understand one thing, that when we talk about tal, this is 16. Teen tal is bigger or longer tal than jap tal. How can we say? When we talk about measuring a room, we say 10 by 10, 10 by 12. So we measure by feet, we measure by inches, we measure by meter, millimeter, kilometer. We measure by weight also, kilogram, gram. How do we measure tal? We measure tal with the help of matras. For example, when we talk about tin tal, I am not intentionally, I am avoiding to use tatkar bowls because still you are not introduced to tatkar exactly. So when we talk about any tal, teen tal starts with first beat and ends at 16 beats. So the length of teen tal is 16 beats. The length of jap tal, that is 10 beats. The length of ek tal is 12 beats. So how do we measure tal? We measure tal by matras. So we have to understand it. And matra means beat. So generally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. Now you see, started with 1, 16 and coming back to 1, that is sum. Now 1 to 16 are matras. So it is a measure which is used to count tal. Tal ki length kitni hai? What is the size of, what is the length of tal? We use matras to measure laya and tal in the same way we use meter to measure length of road or cloth. The same way. The lay is da, din, da, da, din, da, din, da. Now laya changes. Here the next point, try to understand. It is the smallest portion of tal. Smallest portion of tal. Generally what happens, that when we think about tal, we have matras, we have divisions, vibhag, khanda, we have avartans, cycle, complete cycle, that circle. So matra is the smallest unit, the smallest units. 4 matras in Tintal make one vibhag or division or khand. Then 4 khand in Tintal makes one avartan, one cycle. So this way, matra is the smallest unit of tal. Different talas can be identified by counting different number of matras. As I told you that teen tal 16 matra, jap tal 10 matra, ek tal again 12 matra. So these are various matras measurement. One thing, my dear learner, I would like to draw your attention. Many times what happens, what I'm going to explain is very close to understand matra also, khand also, vibhag also, laya also, everything. Many a times what we happen that when we speak, we are doing padant. No, speaking that tal, we in the particular rhythm, matra shows rhythm. It is, the beats are at exact same intervals, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. Now, many times what happens when learners are learning that bandish, bol, padand of toda, tukra, kavit might not be the same. They may not have same laya, same tempo. But here the beats will have the same intervals. That's very, very important. Most of the time, the learners, the students, the dancers are confused in that case. Let me explain. For example, dagatita gadigana nagatita kata kata dataka dikita dag dig nagatita kata da ta thai ta 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 ta thai. Now you see, it continues like this. Here the beats continues in the same way. Dagatita gadigana nagatita kata kata dataka dikita dag dig nagatita kata da ta thai ta ta thai ta. Now the words may have different tempo. I'll show another example. Dir dir kit tak da tite da tite da tite da 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 tite da tite da da tite da tite da dagatita gadigana nagatita kata kata dataka dikita da. Now you see, my bowls have different tempo, different speed, laya, but the beats, they go in the same interval of utterances, space. This is something very, very important. I hope now you have clear understanding of sama, you have clear understanding of matra also. Now when we talk about tal and related concepts, tali or clap is very important. Now the tal would have tali also and tal would have khali also. Most of the tal, why I say most of the tal? Because there are tal like rupak. They do not start with clap or tali. This is tali. This is tali. So, da, then, da. Da, then, da. Da, then, ta. Ta, then, da. Da. Now, theka bowl, that's a bowl of tabla. They vary. A lot of variations are available. In teen tal also, jap tal also, ek tal, vasant, all Arjun tal. Gurujan, no, they have different utterances and that's allowed. That's a creativity within the system itself. There are various schools of dance and various schools of dance have various kala gurus and they have different way of presenting it. Generally, the construction of tal, let's see, be it 10 matras, 12 matras, 16 matras, 15 matras, 17 matras, 18 matras, 22 matras, they will be the same. But internal utterances may differ. The bowl of pakhavaj also will be there, the bowl of tabla will be also there. Theka bowls, they are known as theka bowls. Now, generally, any tal starts with sama and most of the time sama is tali because tali shows a kind of force, emphasis. Tali is a clap. Tal is divided into parts, namely sama, khali and tali. The clap which is used to show matra other than sama is called as tali or bhari. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. So in teen tal, 1 is tali, 5 is tali, 13 is khali. That's khali is a void, throwing hand in the air. This is khali. This is tali. So tali is a bari also, and this is khali, which is a void. One is not clapping. And generally on weak divisions, beats, khali is there. And when there are strong, it is tali. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. So 1, 5, 13, tali, and 9 is khali. Now, when tali is denoted, when in sum there was cross, multiplication, when meta comes to tali, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, like that it is shown. And when we talk about khali, that is void, it is shown by 0. While counting matras, swinging one hand in the air instead of clapping is known as kal or khali. It is represented by 0 under the sign of beat or matra. Now we come to the vibhag or division. As we discussed earlier, the smallest unit is matra, and then there will be the cluster of matras make khand, vibhag or division. Tal is divided into specific parts. For example, when we have a house, we have 3 bedrooms, 1 kitchen, balcony, divided. It is divided in rooms. In the same way, tal is divided in divisions, vibhag or khanda. These parts are called vibhags. Vibhags are constructed as per the rhythm of tal. For example, when we talk about teen tal, 4, 4, 4, 4, 16 matras. But when meta comes to japatala, it is 10, but 2, 3, 2, 3. When we talk about ektala, there are 6 divisions, 6 vibhag of each of 2, 2 matras. So, how there would be divisions, vibhag, khand, that is decided by the way tal is presented, the rhythm of tal. Di na, di na, ti na, di na. Now this is different. Te na, then na, then na. Da, then na, da, then da, then da, then da. Now you can see various constructions of tal, they will decide what kind of vibhaga, division or khand there will be. My dear learners, I hope things are making sense now. Now we come to the laya. Laya is a tempo. Laya is a tempo or speed or pace in music or dance. Now, for example, when we listen songs, be it be movie songs also, there are some very slow songs, very soft, soothing songs, and some are very fast disco songs. In the same way, in dance also, there are slow tempo. Generally, dance starts with vilambit, that's a slow tempo, and it ends, it takes the momentum, and when it ends, it is somewhere, it is very high pitch, tempo, pace, speed is there. Again, what I explained, I would repeat here, the equal and regular distribution of speed is known as laya. Now, when we say laya is everywhere, now whatever, everything, why in music and dance? And what is the difference between I walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4? Laya is there also. But, my dear learners, something very, very important. When a dancer is a good dancer, when the dancer has controlled over laya. जब किसी नर्तकी का अपने नृत्य में लय के ऊपर, ताल के ऊपर पकड़ होती है, very good control over tal and laya, one can be a wonderful dancer, beautiful dancer. So laya is very important, it plays very vital role. The equal and regular distribution of speed is known as laya. Now one cannot dance in laya like this. Ta, thai, thai, ta, ta, thai, thai, ta, ta, thai. It is very fractured, scattered. No. Ta, thai, thai, tat, ah, thai, thai, tat. It moves in the same tempo. If it is, when we change the laya, if the laya is changed, ta, thai, thai, tat, ah, thai, thai, tat, ta, thai, thai, tat, ah, thai, thai, tat. Now you see, ta, thai, thai, tat, ah. The distance between ta, thai, 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 tat, ah, thai, thai, tat. Now, ta, thai, thai, exact distance, equal distribution of space, pace, tempo. Now, if laya changes, again the distribution would be equal. Ta, thai, thai, tat, ah, thai, thai, tat. Ta, thai, thai, tat, ah, thai, thai, tat, ta, thai, thai, tat. Ta, thai, thai, tat, ta, thai, thai, tat, ta, thai, thai, tat, ta, thai. That would be equal. So this is something very important. Lay is counted by clapping at regular intervals or equal gaps. Na then na then na then na then di na di na ti na di na di na ti na then da trakatunna katta da trakadunna. Various tals, सब अलग अलग है. 3 ताल, जप ताल, एक ताल, दादरा, कहरवा, but equal distribution and generally di na ti na de. This is laya. There are mainly 3 types of laya. One is vilambit, when the very slow speed, tempo or pace in music or dance is known as vilambita laya. Generally, medium, which might be a little exactly double of vilambita, that would be known as madhya laya. Medium pace, tempo or speed in music and dance is known as madhya laya. That is a medium. Comparatively higher speed, roundabout, double than madhya laya, is known as dhruta laya. So, ta, thai, thai, or ta, thai, thai, tat, ah, thai, thai. It's going slow. You may call it vilambit. Now, ta, thai, thai, tat, ah, thai. It is going madhya. Ta, thai, thai, tat, ah, thai, thai, tat, ta, thai, thai, tat, ah, thai, thai, tat. So, vilambit, madhya and dhruta. I hope I'm making sense. Is it clear? When one dances, one may perform in ati vilambit also and ati drut also. Ta, thai, thai. It is going ati vilambit also. And ati drut, very fast tempo. So that is ati vilambit. My dear students, I am sure now all of you are clear about what is sama, what is laya, what is matra, tali, khali. I'm sure all of you are clear about it. Next time before we meet, learn it, understand it, try to keep on thinking about this, because in our next session, we will be moving a little further than that. Till that time, keep on dancing, keep on cherishing the life. Dance is a wonderful medium of expression of one's own self. Wish you all the best. Wish you very happy learning. Thank you. Namaskar.
स्वाध्यायः परमः da pa